Go back in there and chill them niggas out. And wait for the wolf, who should be coming directly.
You sending the wolf?
Oh, you feel better, motherfucker?
Shit, Negro. That's all you had to say.
Man, what is this? Hello? What's going on? This is Mr.Gotdamnit.
Yeah, man, you popping out Explicitmeets tonight.
Oui, nigga, tu joues la cape n'a pas le caca, oui?
For sure, bet. I see you there. Let's get it.
Oui, mon cher, pas fait nègre marcher caca. Parce que nègre pas à l'instant nègre pas cap dormir toujours dans cabane. Oh, they don't understand? I mean, okay, let me make them understand. Let me call you back.
So I understand you just got back.
Explicitmeets.
For real? Yo, what's it like?
What's it like? What I'm supposed to say to that? It was cool. There was bitches. Okay, there was bitches, but a lot of them had, you know, they was covered up in them curtains and stuff they be wearing. But I digress. It was war. It was war, basically. War. You know what that's like? Motherfuckers be like shooting. Bombs blowing up. And, you know, the shit scared me. It scared the shit out of me. Matter of fact, I shit on myself over a dozen times and ran out of toilet paper after the second time. So you know what that meant, right? I had to use the thumb, man. It was kind of nasty. But, you know, the good thing about it was they stopped taking me out on patrol because my name became Stink Bomb. You know what I'm saying? They said, you know, I was giving away our position because of the shit smell. That was fine with me, you know what I'm saying? They wanted to leave me back. And I was like, well, fuck y'all. Y'all go ahead on, because I don't need y'all anyway. I'm rich, bitch. The fuck y'all looking at?
A lot of niggas don't like to spend their money. We love to spend our money. We can't take none of this shit with us. None. Ain't no armored trucks pulling up at no funerals.
If it ain't about no dollar sign, I ain't finna move. Fuck her good, then wake the little bitch up like what you finna do. We came to fuck the game up, our job complete. How I've drank, she sent the drop, but I can't find the street. Ooh, tell the fiends come outside when I'm down the street. Big boy ram truck outside, send on the ounce of weed. Yeah, them 28s out, real safe, bro. It ain't a spot in Flint I can't go. Last nigga frowned this shit up at me, his face gone. Take a food off a nigga plate, but I just ate though. Yeah. Hey, what up, Jay-Z? I grew up off Blade, my generation hated. What up, Jay-Z? I grew up off Blade, my generation hated Jay-Z. Even if you wanna say my name, you gotta pay me. I been out here popping niggas in they shit since I was 18.
Simple. So you better enjoy this shit. Just a fool and his money will part. We do this, so we ain't worried about it. When we go out at night, whatever we spend, 50,000, 100,000 in the motherfucking club, we can afford to do it because we ain't bring it all with us.
Alright, come on.
Simple.
Oh, we was talking about pay. I got an 80 on me. I got 7 pounds of money, it's a baby on me. How the fuck them niggas didn't die? We dropped 80 on them. 3200, spit that sack, shop at Macy's, don't you? I need another cheap pint, call your auntie for me. Oh, you flashing 20-some thousand, that's my baby money. Hair nappy, bitch, I'm trying to get Jay-Z money. Walk 3 a line, we just dropped the 6, that's 1800. A nigga put a chain around my neck before he take one. Fuck you hard, I don't make love, I just be making money.
Feeling the real step on this. Talk to him. Yeah, I'm the realest, I live more real. I ain't talking my size and weight, but I ain't met nobody bigger, a bitch or a nigga. A cost of the drug, they know I'm a dealer, my settlement shipper. Hope I gon' hit you, fat if you breathe, the doc, I'm a healer. Put the bitch in the bed while the corner's door. They get a bitch up, but they know I feel her. Kurtwood Vet, I raise in the red. Bring on your partner, got something for the telly. Look, I'm not the one, but I'm not the two. I'm selling 3s, I'm talking to 2. Now like a 6, got a sweet. Bill with legit, so I added the switch. Now it won't glitch in your pocket. Hits and I never put stops on no motherfucking bleed. I'm standing on bidding, they know I get busy. I spit at your block, now your hood looking dizzy. The bitch on slide and flip. If I like that nigga, then we getting free. When I'm gone, the drug try to bend like a Billy. Bitch, you a worker like you, Mr. Billy.
Finds Rose. Rose trying to get open, fires away. Bang! It's over! The Bulls win as a mother!
So much weed in the bay, I might try to fly a bill home. I really made $1 million off the cell phone. Talking about it's chilly outside, nigga, jail cold. That's why I'd rather do this rap shit, I ain't gon' sell dope. Fly to Oakland, buy some bows, nigga, what you smoking? Nigga better use his brain before I bust it open. Suck dick good, she suctions on it. I got a big scale, nigga, I can wear a whole pumpkin on it. 900 for some shoes and they dead stop. Bitch, I'm deadly when I shoot all headshot. Whoever knew that little dirty nigga from the bed ride. Could ride around the hood with a whole 100 bands.
Oh, what a shot from Curry! With 0.6 of a second remaining! The brilliant shooting of Stephen Curry continues! And he ties the NBA record with 12.
Hey, 9 hours left. I can't wait till we touch down. I got 900 left. Give me 80, you can buy 'em. I'm trying to hit Columbus. I'll pay you if you drive me. I've been all about $1 since a baby in a dog car. This shit making me die as fuck. Put the wrong verse on here. Let me read baby Cole's head fucked up. He finna slide cause he think he bored. Eating up, drinking pints of red on the weekend door. Yeah, I can have a 6 left, but I'm drinking 40.
Yeah, ghetto boy shit. You know what the fuck, real to young girl.
Baddest motherfucker that hell had ever seen.
Colonel motherfucking Stinkmeaner. Holla at your boy. I get money.
He traded like a beast.
Y'all gonna have to kick me out of this bitch. I'm having the time of my life.
He was so mad, he even called me the devil himself.
Bitch ass nigga. This is how you break your foot off in a motherfucker's ass. Yeah. You blow-headed motherfucker trying to swarm on a nigga, huh? You just got a 2-piece combo with a biscuit, huh? I got 3 stick-down shots.
Stinkmeaner, your heart of darkness has earned you a trip back. You have my blessings to exact vengeance on the Freeman family and to spread ignorance and chaos in the black community. They will be no match for you.
Hell ain't shit. I'm gonna get you, Freeman. You eat a dick, nigga. You eat a dick.
Niggas say he killing me, but not today. I had to go and spray the crib up cause dog got away. Don't know why I just bought these 2 pints and I got a head. I can show you how to make $1,100 a lot of ways. She get whatever cause she loyal. What you want, a helicopter, baby? Known for cutting dope. I done did more hits than Dr. Dre. Shit on a nigga with my fro out, bitch, I'm Dr. Send my dog to go and bust the script for me like what the doctor. If a nigga robbed me last night, 20 people get shot.
Hey, that was my space. I had my blinker on and everything.
Fuck you, punk ass, pussy ass, hook ass nigga. I'll beat your motherfucking sedity ass nigga. Don't never in your life ever try to holler at me, nigga. Fuck with me, nigga. I'll be done pop the trunk on your bitch ass nigga. Get my motherfucking Uzi, nigga.
What did you say, nigga?
You know what, motherfucker? Eat a dick, nigga. I'm tired of this mother.
Oh yeah! Look at you! You was popping all that good shit a second ago, then you got kissed in your chest! You eat a dick, nigga! You eat a dick!
Niggas say he killing me, but not today. I had to go and spray the crib up cause dog got away. Don't know why I just bought these 2 pints and I got a head. I can show you how to make $1,100 a lot of ways. She get whatever cause she loyal. What you want, a helicopter, baby? Known for cutting dope. I done did more hits than Dr. Dre. Shit on a nigga with my fro out, bitch, I'm Dr. Send my dog to go and bust the script for me like what the doctor. If a nigga robbed me last night.
No lo conoces, atento al corrido.
El chaparrito y es muy decidido,
compadre del mayo y tío de sus sobrinos.
Su gente lo admira por ser aguerrido
y por ser humilde en la vida ha crecido.
Alright, go ahead.
Yo, man, y'all know what it is, man. It's Takeover, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Free the fucking dog, man. Free the real shit, man. I can't make this shit up, man. My nigga mother want to turn this shit up, man.
Nigga come around me acting gangster, putting
to the tip. 223s up in the clip, them bitches shoot right through that vent. We throw two big, that's the set. Put my team around my neck. We grab the broom, the ops get sweat. Don't take no elevator, we step. Tired of spanking house, my fingers cramped, been loading 50 shots. Call a tech, and them bring the coolers out, cause we got the city hot. How you gon' duck when we spinning your block? How you gon' duck when we sending them shots? Little nigga play, we gon' send them to God. Forever ramming and shit from the cop. Walking that bitch and I stun on the out. I ain't get touched, but the nigga got knocks. We getting packages, we getting boxes. I ain't DT, but we popping them rocks. My niggas training already to top it. Fuck that little bitch, gotta call me Poppy. Do it for Poppy. Yeah. I call my little eater a zombie. I told that little head it's a rocket. She like it's slide, she wanna ride. And nigga be talking about they block, but when we slide through, they ain't there. 2, 3, take down a bill. Set them down just like a chair. Won't I no down, no I won't tell. Catch his ass just like. Didn't wanna hear about old girl. Nigga just keep that shit right over there. She bought 2 blocks, I bought me a pill. No, I ain't sleeping, it's smoking the air. Grab my block, little bitch, we hot. I sweat my hood a red zone. Come out the leap where you did wrong. Turn your ass to a headstone. On me, I snap on their song. I turned up they headphone. Know the gun store getting mad. We bought up like air drum. Turnies, that's the L run. We gon' just hit at the back and the front. Walk down on any way you gon' run. Got a little bitch, she head hunt. I thought the bro nigga said something. We got no drink.